If this keeps happening to you, it's not because of bad luck. It's not even because of psychology. And guess what? It's not because your strategy is bad either. You know what it is? It's because you're entering right at that moment when the market needs you to lose. Here's the truth. Most beginner traders are taught the exact same thing. You are taught that if price breaks a key level, buy the breakout. Or if price breaks a low, sell the breakout. And I must admit, it makes sense until it doesn't. But how do you know when it doesn't make sense? This is really what you need to be locking into. So I want you to lock into this video today because the truth is the market doesn't move to reward you. It moves to collect orders. So understand this. When you buy that breakout, your stop loss becomes the fuel that the market needs. It needs this because it literally will hit your stop before it actually moves in that desired direction. I want to let you in on the secret because there's an actual move that causes most of these losses. And guess what? Once you see it, you can't unsee it. It becomes a powerful tool for you to use day in, day out in these markets. Look at this. Price pushes just far enough past a level to trigger breakout buyers. Then instantly it reverses. This is actually called a liquidity sweep. It's not random. It's not manipulation. It's literally how large orders get filled. Understand that? So I want to let you in on the 3-point checklist, and I hope you've got your pens and your notepads because this is worth making notes. Point number 1 is all about the level. First, you need a clean level. So we're looking for highs and or lows. We don't want anything messy. We don't want anything that doesn't look clean. We want clean highs and lows to be identified on these charts. Point number 2. This is where you get the sweep. Price must wick through the level. You want to see price breaking through that level, then rejecting it, right? If it holds above, it's not the setup. Point number 3. This is your confirmation. Wait for price to close back inside the range. Once it does, your entry comes after the confirmation candle. You're looking for engulfing candles right at this level, not during the excitement after it's happened. This alone saves you from 80% of beginner losses. All right, so let's take a look at this. Literally, we're going to be drawing our highs and our lows, and we want to draw our highs and our lows based on recent price action. Where's price currently? So we've got our highs and our lows highlighted, and we're going to be waiting to see reactions around these levels because we're looking for what? Liquidity sweep. You got it. Now, once we've got our highs and our lows, we're really going to be waiting because guess what? Look at this. The mere fact that price pushes up above the high, what do you think is happening? Breakout traders are beginning to buy. And then their stops get hit. And then price moves cleanly in the opposite direction. Do you think this was luck? Absolutely not. But it requires patience. Let's take a look at the flip side. Price sweeps the low. What do you think is happening once price is sweeping this low? That's right, sellers are coming in and they're beginning to put their heavy positions on and they're selling. And as soon as they hit sell, what's happening? Their stops get hit because the market begins to move up. So it's going again cleanly in the opposite direction. Now again, this wasn't luck, but it requires patience. So I want you to understand that we're literally looking for price to sweep these levels, right? You often have them as your support and resistance areas. Look for price to actually sweep these zones before you actually get in, because remember, what it will do is to filter out your bad trade opportunities, giving you the best or the unfair advantage to actually get in at the right opportunity. All right, so this is the clean way that we actually do it. Price sweeps the high, we wait. We get that displacement back into the zone. Lovely confirmation candle. We execute. Lovely playout. And you can see how beautiful and clean that setup actually is. Awesome. All right. Now, I know based on what I've just showed you, you understand what this setup actually is. And now I've just given you quite a lot in terms of the whole process and the understanding of how price actually moves. But I want you to be really honest with yourself at this moment. And I want you to start thinking about how many times price has actually stopped you out and then gone exactly where you expected. Can you actually count it? Maybe not, because it's probably happened to you more times than you can even remember, right? And I want you to do something absolutely incredible here to say that, listen, this video has opened my eyes. I want you to comment the word sweep if this has actually happened to you. Price stopped you out, maybe 10 pips, 5 pips, and then of course gone exactly where you expected. Let me know by putting the word sweep in the comments down below. Because if you're brave enough, I've got a gift for you in terms of allowing you to hop on to our next 3-day boot camp coming up at the end of this month. You have access to a boot camp that can literally blow your mind with the opportunity that lies within this market. So put the word sweep down below and you have the ability to get into the room. Now, here's the biggest mistake a lot of traders make, and I want you not to make this mistake. That's why I'm actually telling you. There are so many strategies out there that actually work, but traders begin to become too confident, believing that they know it all. So I want you to understand that even with this process, you've got to allow price to prove itself. You've got to allow price to do its thing, and then you react according to what price has actually done. Don't believe that you know it all, because you don't. The market will humble you so that you understand that you are not in control. Understand that you read price action and you respond based on how it reacts. It's that simple. Mistake number 2. If you miss the entry, let it go. Don't chase, because that's only disaster. I want you to understand that if you miss the setup, it will come back. Price often always comes back. You just have to be patient enough to wait for it to come back. And of course, you will have the opportunity again to execute. Chasing turns good analysis into bad trades. Just remember that. Now, I want you to do something else. If this video helped you understand why you've been struggling in trading, I want you to like it and I want you to subscribe, and I want you to lock in to this video that's coming up next, because guess what? It's gonna show you how to trade smarter, not harder. So I'll see you as soon as you hit play.